welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a cosmic unboxing. I'm so freaking excited because I have no idea what's in here, so I'm ready. I'm so excited. I've already like partially opened it, so I was like, I'm pretty sure there's like a box inside, and I think I'm right. I don't know, because it came in this like, because it's raining at the moment, so it was for overnight. So they've been smart and been like, let's put it in some packaging that it's not going to get rained on. Cosmic ain't playing today. Oh my god, look at this box. This is so freaking cool. Oh my god, I cannot wait to see what's inside. Oh my god, I love this. This is so freaking cool. Oh my god, okay. What's inside? Oh my god. Oh wow. Ooh. Okay then, Cosmic, you ain't playing. Alrighty, what have we got in here? Cute. Hey Cerise, here's your cat pack. I hope you and your kitty cat love it. Have fun. Love, Shaz. So we have a special guest today. This is Wills, because this is a cat box. So Willow, what have we got in here? What's in here? What is it? You want to sit in this one? I love this. Oh my god. So yeah, pretty much everything in this box is on sale at the moment. So it's all of the Cosmic like gift things. It's all cat themed. So I'm super excited to see what kind of cat things are in here today. Alrighty, so what is in this box is all kind of cat related items. So I'm so excited to dive in. Let's get into it. So we have the cat bow tie for posh cats. Oh, alright. Wow. Oh, Willow, come here, sweetheart. Oh my god, it's gonna look so cute on her, but it's just gonna blend in because she's black. Do you like this? This is for you. So this would be really cool for any kind of cat owner. It's a nice kind of gift as well. Look how freaking cute that is. Little cat bow tie. Loves. Then we have Curious Cat matches. So this is just matches with black cats on them. I love that. I'm obsessed. I didn't know that there was, you like this? I didn't know there was that many things at Cosmic that actually were like cat related. So I'm like really excited by all this. Like, oh my god, thank you so much. Then we've got some beautiful stickers. Yes, do you like them too? It was Willow's birthday on November 12th. So, oh, she's a big 1-year-old now. Yes, she is. So it's like kind of like presents for her. Like, here you go, honey. Like, here's some gifts for you. Hey, honey. So what do we have here? We've got the clapperboard, cat video clapperboard, lights, camera, action. Oh my god, this is really freaking cute. Yes. Oh my god. Let's open her up. Oh my god, it's like a cute little Hollywood one for you because you were a little star. Oh my god, stop it. Oh my god, love that. Look at this. It's for you. This is a cat video, it's for you. Oh my god, that is so cute. That's such a cool little gift if you had like an Instagram for your cat as well. Really cool ideas. That's really cool. And then, oh my god, inflatable wizard hat for cats. Glows in the dark. Oh my god. Yes. Willow, come here. Should we inflate this up? Got a nice little wizard hat for you. Hey? Are you excited? Oh, you like this one? Alrighty. Let's blow her up. Alright, Wills, are you ready? I think it goes on like that. She's so cute. Oh, you like that, baby? Oh, you're closing your eyes. Oh, honey. Look, that one's for you. Look. Happy birthday. Hey? That one a bit spooky, eh? It's very cute. Oh my god, Wills, look at that. Oh my god, what's this? Look, dashboard cat Buddha. Yes, to put on your dash like a little cat Buddha. That's so funny. Oh my god, I love that. That is so cool. Oh my god, yes. And then, oh, we've got some little crazy cat lady notebooks. Oh my god, that's so cool for your inner freaking crazy cat lady. Like, yes. Oh my god, look at these little notebooks. These are so cute. Set of 3. Cute things my cats have done. Oh my god, little shopping list. Oh my god, so these are just like crazy cat lady theme. That's so freaking cool. Like, honestly, if you're a cat lover, this box is for you. Honestly, get these things for $5, $10, $15 from Cosmic. They are on sale. Go in store in New Zealand. Cosmic is an amazing store with lots of cool little quirky gifts, so it's like super exciting. Oh, and then we've got some brightening eye bases here. Yes, Tony Molly. Vegan cruelty free. Can't get on with it. Vegan cruelty free. Can't get on with it. Oh my god, smack myself in the face. Jeez. Oh my god. Then some beautiful socks. Show me your kitties. Yes. Oh my god, love that. Those are so cute. Yes. Oh, and then we've got cat sounds when you need them. She's literally looking at my rats in the corner. She did not care. She's coming over. Look at this. Oh, she knows. Where's this one? She's purring so loud. Oh my god. Do you hear that? Can they hear your purrs? No, this one. She wants snuggles. Oh my god, this is the coolest thing ever. So yeah, honestly, like, your cat don't come to you. This thing is great. Oh my god. You like this one? You like this one? My god, there is a cat bonnet. Oh my god, cats love it. Oh my god, yes. Come on, honey. We're putting a bonnet on your little face. On your little head. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Little babies. Here. We're gonna put it on you. If you like it, hey? We'll just see for a minute. We'll just see. Hey? Let's see. Here we go, look. Okay. How do we do? You're just chewing on it. Well, babies, I just want to see how it looks. Now, maybe if I pre-tie it, because then she's more inclined to not eat it. Because I think at the minute she's just wanting to eat it because it's got the strings on it. Come here. Oh my, oh, stop it. Wheels? Wheels? Oh my god, Will. Oh no. Babies, I'm sorry. Oh my god. You like this one? Hey? Hey? You like this one? Look, you like it. Here, get this one. Oh my god, she loves it. It's so cute. Oh, and then a light up kitty chain. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, she's taken that bonnet. She gone. She gone. She is eating the hat. She actually loves it. She's dragged it with her under there. Look at her eating this hat. Oh my god, she hates the hat. She like loves it. It's a love-hate relationship with this wee hat. She's like, you know what? I freaking love it. Alrighty, so she loves that little bonnet, and I love this. This is so cool. Love that. And then we have the last one, which is Exploding Kittens, Original Edition. So, a card game for people who are into kittens and explosions and laser beams and sometimes goats. So this is actually a game. Oh, I'm really excited for this. This is a card game. Oh, do you know I actually, after owning my house for over a year, I do not have any games. This is my first literally like card game. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. If you guys want me to play this or show any of these items and go in depth with them, then let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, this is just like a cool as collection of all the cat items that you can get from Cosmic. There's actually so many, so you can literally let your inner cat lady like fly free. You are ready to come out, save the world, be crazy. Like literally, there's so many things here for the crazy cat lover inside you. So yeah, if you want any of these things, look on the Cosmic website. Also, note that I do have a code, and it is in the link in the description below, so you can get these things cheaper as well. But if you go in store, they're between $5 to $15 for all these things. They're all on sale at the moment, and they are just freaking cool cat stuff. So if you love cats, if you love animals, or if you just want any of these quirky gifts to give to a mate, then this is the video for you to look at. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, the wheels. Oh, the wheels. Can I put the bonnet on you and have you like a baby? Is that something I can do? Can I do that? Make you a bonnet baby. Where are you gonna go? You gonna go buys? You gonna go buys now? Bye-bye. See you later. Goodbye. What is that? Wants none of it.